Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to deploy a free server boot to your WhatsApp. Alright, this boot stays active 247 on your account. Now let me check the response speed. As you can see now, the boot menu, this is the boot menu, and you can go ahead and explore different. It has lots of command that you can explore, right? So now let me log out this particular boot now and log in so you see how to deploy it. Alright, so I just go ahead and log out this one that is logged in already. All right, now let me test it. You can see it's no longer responding because I've logged it out from my device. So let's get to it.
Alright, so first thing first, head on to your Chrome browser. Then on your search bar, you enter this website. I'll be dropping the link on the comment section, so do it to check it for the website link. Then you allow the website to load, and this is the first interface that appears when it loads. Then click on Start Free. You click on it, then it will redirect you here to a login page. But since you don't have any account here, just click on Sign Up here. You click on Sign Up. Then you fill in your detail here, your name, email, and password. Then you check this box to agree to the terms and conditions. So I'll just go ahead and input my name here, Benfei Tech. So after I'm done filling up my details, I'll click on Sign Up. Click on it. Alright, so guys, our account has been successfully created and we need to verify the account. You just have to check your email for a verification code sent to your email. Then so you check your email for the confirmation link, then you click on this confirm email to confirm your account. So after that, you'll be redirected to your dashboard here. Alright, you'll be redirected to this page. Then next thing, you click on this new boot here. You click on it. Then we are going to be choosing the free plan. Alright, click on Start for Free. You click on it. Then here you see we'll be filling up our details. We'll be filling our session ID. We're giving the boot a customizable name. Then we enter our phone number, but then we need to get the session ID, so we click on this blue button here. Click on it to get your session ID. So after that, it will take you to this page. Then on this field, you input your WhatsApp phone number with country code in this format. Then when you're done, you click on Generate Pairing Code. You click on it. Then look at the generated code here. Click on this copy code button to copy it. Then you'll receive a notification on your WhatsApp to link a device. Just go to your WhatsApp. Look at the three dots here at the right corner. You click on it. Then next you click on link device. Click on link device. Then you choose link with phone number instead. Then here you paste the code you copied from the browser. You paste the code here. Then wait for it to be linked to your device, to be linked to your account. Just click on link device anyway. Click on link device. After that, you enter the name for your boot. You can just enter anything like my vote. You click on save. Alright, then head on to your DM. Go to your DM. A message will be sent to your DM. Alright, so this is our session link, this particular thing here. Just have to click on this copy session. Click on it. Then go back to the website. Then come back to this web page. Look at the session ID we just copied from our DM. You paste it here. You paste it here. Then my boot, your boot name. You enter something like Benfei Tech Boots. You can enter anything you want for your boot name. Then owner number, you enter your WhatsApp number. This time around without plus. Then after that, you click on this deploy now. Alright, you click on deploy now. Alright, wait for our boot to start deploying. Then you can click on this eye icon here to see the log. Alright, as you can see guys, our boot has been successfully connected. Alright, so now let's go to our DM to test the boot to see if it is actually connected. Now let me type something like alive .ping. As you can see, the boot is responding, meaning it's successfully connected. You type .menu to see the boot menu list. Alright, and this is the boot menu list. This is our name, the owner, the name we gave to it, and here you can explore the boot command depending on your use case. Right, so that is how to get a free boot, and trust me, this boot is very active and running. All right, enjoy your boot.